Well, good morning from Dynodaze, and once again we've got a FN2 Civic in for a map today on the Ecutek software. This one's got some modifications. It's got a cold air intake, a Group M, it's got a 4-to-1 manifolded exhaust, inlet manifold, it's got a FD2 oil pump, so we're expected to see some figures out of this today. It looks like it's been parked under a tree because it's got a bit of sap on it. But one of Richard's tasks this morning, or the first thing he's going to do, is it's currently on a FlashPro, as you can see. So because we charge £500 for the Ecutek map, with the Ecutek license and software, we know that selling this FlashPro, he'll get a lot of money back for it. So effectively, he's not spending too much money here today because he's going to sell that. And then he's going to get an Ecutek feature map, which Richard loves. And yeah, how are you, Richard, this morning? You're not feeling very well, are you?
I'm trying to get this to do what it needs to do.
Try to connect. All right. Well, let's have a look. See if it's a USB port.
No, it's not. It's connected. It
just doesn't want to do it.
No.
Okay. Well, that's our first hurdle. Let's get the FlashPro connected, and we'll go from there. And then we'll see this lovely one on the dyno revving its little VTEC heart out. Okay, so what we've done is we've flashed the car back to a stock file using the FlashPro. It's doing it as we speak. At that point, that will unlock the device. The device then can be sold, and I believe they fetch pretty good money. And then at that point, we will do a stock run in standard form, and then we'll be flashing the Ecutek base file on. That will give us the race run features. It'll give us the ability to data log. At that point, moving forward, we're just tuning. So that's the plan. Jason's busy. Jason's doing a timing belt service on an EP3 today. Yes, timing chain. Okay, thanks, Jason. So Jason's cracking on with that. We've got some lovely oil to go in, a new VTC solenoid. So that'll keep him busy and quiet today, won't it, Jason? Maybe, baby. Right then. Right, there we go. So red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves, and as you can see, we've made power across the rev range, and we finish on 223 and 192 at the wheels. Now, bearing in mind that obviously this was FlashPro before, so that's somebody else's map, and then the blue line is Dynodaze's map. So I think that's done really, really well. It sounds beautiful, and obviously it drops some flames and drops some bombs. So happy customer. Yeah, so that's brilliant. So Richard's just explaining to the customer as we speak. As you can see, happy with our young man Ian Hill also in the background. Here he is. Hi, Ian. Yeah, so there we go. Happy days. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey, Rich. We'll see you on the next one, won't we?
Well, indeed. Good
man. And Richard's just doing a final tutorial of the maps.
Obviously, if someone takes your key, tries to start it, obviously it won't start.
So that's map 4.
Back to map 3, cancel. She'll start. We'll take it for a little ride and then we'll show you what that's basically valet mode. Right,
valet, he's explaining valet mode, so it will only rev to about 3.5 grand, but there we go. Another happy chappy.